Is Windows failing to load because of the Windows Storage Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we prepare to resolve Windows Storage Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Windows Storage Library, a foundational WinRT library responsible for managing file access and localized storage APIs, known as KnownFolders. It provides the sandbox protection for modern Windows apps to access files safely. If corrupted, system apps like Photos or Calculator will fail to launch, reporting a class not registered or silent process termination. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Since Windows Storage Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Windows Storage Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image/image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Remember that Windows Storage Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Windows Storage Library and registry optimization. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Windows Storage Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.